Here's a clash of the titans for you, the 6.4 Hemi versus the 6.1 Hemi. These two power-packed engines have their own strengths, making this a nail-biting showdown. Which one to choose for your build? Well, let's get to the details, shall we? The 6.4 Hemi, a true beast, boasts a horsepower starting at 470 to 485 horsepower. The 392s from 2011 to 2014 came at a power rating of 470 horsepower. When Dodge introduced the Scat Packs, power was increased to 485 due to the revised intake manifolds and tuning. If you plan to get a 392 from a Grand Cherokee SRT and Durango SRT, just remember power was limited to 475 because of a more restrictive exhaust manifold designed to accommodate the SUV's all-wheel drivetrain. On the other hand, the 6.1 Hemi, with 425 horsepower, is no slouch either. Its beefier internals will allow you to add boost. By just gapping the piston rings and going E85, you can handle up to 650 horsepower. So which one's better? That's a tough call. If you're after a simple drop-in, go for the 6.4. If boost is your game without forging internals, the 6.1 might be your champion. This, folks, is a classic case of picking your poison. Each engine has its own charm, its own allure. One thing's for sure, the 392 has thinner cylinder walls. If you plan to build over 1,000 horsepower, then the 6.1 Hemi is the block to build. If you have a 5.7 Hemi and would like a guide to raise your horsepower to 498, watch this next suggested video. Follow us for more gearhead content.